Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss Cloud Foundation. Cloud Foundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
Okay, employee status. Year hire date. User class private. Complete legal entity. This was made department, division, country. Okay, I will click on OK. So I have rearranged it. You can see it is rearranged. Okay. Now what I need to do? I am not putting any filters option. I will click on save here. Okay. So I will click on save. So once I click on save, you can see here. The Generate tab will be coming here, right? Generate tab will be generated here. So what we need to do? We just need to go and click on that Generate tab. Okay. So I will click on Generate tab. It will ask you for CSV Excel PDF of it. Okay. So we click on Excel. So it will download in the Excel. So now the report is being generated. Names are coming in some other language. Sorry. First name. Last name is coming in some other language. Because it will be there in the you can see in Korea. Company C, this one Korea. It is there. That is the. Okay. So now the report is being generated. So we have also downloaded the Excel also. Can you see the Excel? Oh yes. Okay. So this also, if I am putting some filter option here. Only blanks are there. Only USA country are there. So if I want to take only USA, you can see only this detail. Okay. I'm selecting all for the blank. Now, we have the list of active employees and inactive employees. So if I'm going only with active. Okay. So this is the list we will be showing. Okay. Now in the active, if I want to have some data from employee that from 2022 and 2022. If I want to have, I can find the data here. How many employees have been hired? That data I will be getting. Got it? Yes. And if I want to have a data for the termination. So, for that, what I will do, I will go here and I will just select termination. I will get it. And after getting the termination, I can select the data. Is there from last 3 years? I can get this. Right. So I'm filtering it from here, but if you require, the filter option should be carried here. That is also possible. You can go here and you can put the filter option. Okay. You can define the filter option. Suppose, if I'm going with the Okay. Employment, hire data. So if I want to go with by noon, and if I want something like greater than or equal to, and if I can take some data here, right? You can see the data here. Showing here. So if I'm selecting something, I'm going here. Okay. So something if I'm taking this one. And I'm done. If you want done here. Okay. And again I need to save it because I have put the filter and again I generated. I will go to the expert. And here you can see the hire that we have taken. It is not here. It will come from. Because we have the filter there. So this option is also there. How we can able to go and? Any questions here? No. Okay. Because these are the requirements which comes to the consultant, and we should know how to work on the reporting board. They will give the requirement and we need to create the report and to check the result is coming correctly or not. So what are audit reports? I mean, are the same thing? Yeah, audit reports means or they will also give you the log and everything when they will see how you are getting the columns right. Start date, hire date, termination date. First name, last name in the audit report. You will also get some option where you can add those as a column. That was modified. It last modified by last modified name. That date of last modified it. All these details will become. Okay. If it is required, we can go according to suppose, for the payroll or for the job information. We can go and we can able to create the report. So do we have any? I mean like standard audit reports to refer. Standard audit report means there is no standard audit report, but we need to go and create it. So actually I got this requirement that I just have to pull an audit report for workflows. Check all the workflows. They wanted a log for the workflows. They want to check what changes have been done for workflows. So they asked us to pull an audit report to see that. For all the workflows or for a specific workflow. There was one specific workflow. So in the specific workflow means you can go and check in the log from the management. So the workflow is already been completed or it is in the pending stage. The workflow is completed. It was like they wanted the whole log.
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.